Now, it's a sad reality, but probably everybody watching this at some point in their life is going to get rejected by a bank. So, what options do you have when that happens? When the banks say no, what choices do you have? In this section, I'm going to cover off non-bank lenders. I'm going to go through what the definition of a bank actually is. I'm going to cover off everything from second-tier lenders to finance companies to insurance companies, how you can find them, what sort of conditions they will lend to you upon, and how you can utilize non-bank lenders' money. Now, I travel the world, I do this full time, and I do it from anywhere. And one thing I think you'll find really inspirational is how I actually go about doing that. Now, every week I release a new video in my Freedom Investor TV YouTube channel. So if you want to see more of me, of what I'm actually doing in the moment, and when I'm exploring new countries, exploring new markets, how I go about learning the different markets, connecting with the right people, then you need to join me by subscribing on YouTube and getting updates every week on where I am and how you can learn as I learn as well.